Hello guys, today we're exploring MetaHome, a decentralized blockchain organization that traces its history back to October 9, 2008. This day also marks the anniversary of Korea creating digital characters over 600 years ago. The MetaHome started with about 20 early supporters, cults, who shared the vision of the centralized organizations. DAO, the platform supports early Bitcoin ideals such as decentralization and rewarding participants based on contribution while creating equal opportunities for everyone regardless of resources or location. The MetaHome team is decentralized organization of about 300 cult members focused on creating a new culture in the blockchain industry. The philosophy is simple. Cryptocurrencies gain real value when they reward contribution to the platform growth rather than just converting existing money in digital token, guys. So this is the MetaHome technology, guys. The project background: redefining trust in the digital age. In the modern digital society, user reviews and certification are core components of trust-based economy. However, existing centralized systems face the following challenges. Okay, so MetaHome solves the issues using blockchain technology: insufficient transparency and fairness in platform data, lack of fair rewards for review authors, manipulate review, and spread of false information. Vision of goals: MetaHome builds a healthy and fair digital certification ecosystem. Trust all certification data via blockchain-based records. So blockchain technical architecture: review data cannot be altered once recorded, guys. All processes are recorded on decentralized network and returns data ownership to user and companies. So record and stores review data on the blockchain to ensure integrity. So automates company certificate procedures using smart contracts and automatically distributes meta tokens based on user activities. And also combines on-chain and off-chain for efficiency and scalability, guys. So this is the token economics, guys. Meta tokens are given as rewards for user review activities. Use meta tokens to purchase certified products and services. Generate additional earnings by taking meta tokens, and company use meta tokens to apply a MetaHome certification. The meta tokens create fair value among ecosystem participants. User writes reviews, receive meta tokens rewards. Use meta tokens, and corporate revenue redistribution to users and corporation, guys. So ecosystem participant reward 60%, initial sale 20%, and the other 20% is for supporting corporate certification, operation lock and period applied, and ecosystem stabilization budget, guys. Demand: the corporation certification fee and mental mall transaction activation. Supply: user review rewards and staking rewards. So this is the development roadmap right now, guys. And enter global market, list on top 10 exchanges, achieve a user base of 5 million, launch platform MVP, implement review, verification, and reward system, introduce the DeFi feature and complete the staking reward system, build a fully decentralized ecosystem. You can contact them via email, Telegram, Twitter, and on their YouTube channel, guys. Okay, so this is the MetaHome. And there is a metaverse swapping page, guys. If you want to swap or use this metaverse, guys, swap. Okay, referral program and greetings. Okay, and then the YouTube click, guys. Alright, guys, I think that's all about this MetaHome. I hope you learned something about this new project. If you want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel. And leave a comment down below, guys. The link is on my description. So that's all, guys. Bye bye.